Welcome to 6502 Assembly Language Programming. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your work on the 8 bits and 1 byte website. You will probably want to save your work between sessions. And this video will show you how to do this in two ways. So let's go directly to the course code at this link. So this has been our normal starting place when looking at our source code and running it. But after I show you how to save your code to local storage, you can advance immediately, directly to playatari.html, and that's where we're going by clicking here. Alright, so here we have the course code. We can look at EX0. Oh, let me scroll down just a bit here. Could load up my solution. There you have it. But we're here to look at the Files tab. So here we can save whatever we have in memory here to a project name. The suggested project name is course, but you can call it course 1. Save it. As soon as you save it, it goes into the project list. And let's say if you save several, they all go into the list here. And so this might be useful. You might want to save several versions of the code as you progress through the course. Could be useful. You can also delete things from the project list. I'll delete this one. It lets you confirm. Then you see that one was removed from the project name. Now we have two over here. So the main point is, or a useful point is that you can leave and just come back later directly to this page. And if you look at files, you see that we've loaded course 1. If that's not the right one, you could pick another one now. Go for course 2. And click this button here. Kind of a hinky button. Mainly it's saying load this over there. So let's do that. Okay. So that is one way to save and load your work. Another way is to export and import the code. For instance, if you had made changes to EX0 and EX1, you could click export and it downloads these to your download folder on your hard disk. Maybe not the most convenient place, but we are limited by the browser's security measures. You can also load files from there. I'm going to do an import and pick these two, and it's just going to load them into the project, overriding the versions we already had. Not all that useful since they're the same, but illustrative of the process. Okay, so this page does have some help information that may be useful to you. You can click any of the buttons and it gives you more information about them, or click a topic representing the buttons and it gives you some information about it. Okay, well, I hope you found this helpful. Good luck in your progress in this course, and we'll talk to you later. As always, it helps me if you like and subscribe.